You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names. If you want to learn more names, stay tuned. I've got many more for you. The most common pronunciation in English, Elowyn. It has originated from the words elm, which refers to the tree species, and wyn, which means friend or beautiful. So beautiful elm, beautiful tree. Elowyn, Elowyn, Elowyn. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.